How to fix Instagram notes not showing. Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial. To fix this, you will log in to Instagram, and as you may know, notes are a new feature on Instagram. You can find this feature in the message section. Here you can share a thought, you can write something, or you can share a song. If this is not showing in your Instagram, what you'll need to do is to go to the App Store or Play Store and you'll search Instagram. Now, you will need to update the app and you will try again. If you try this and it's not working, then you will go to your profile and go to Edit Profile. Now you go to Change to Business Account, because sometimes changing your account to a business account can unlock some new features on Instagram. Here you'll go to Continue, and this way you'll fix this error. And that's it, guys. I hope it has been useful for you. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.